Mr. Guy in the Hut. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make pork adobo. So first things first, you need to marinate your meat. So take either some pork or chicken or whatever kind of meat you want. You can make any kind of adobo. Then you need garlic, pepper, and soy sauce. For soy sauce, I'd recommend if you can find the Filipino brands called Datu Puti and Silver Swan. Try to avoid that Kikkoman one because it's really Asian tasting, I guess, or just a lot different tasting. So try to find those. So what first thing you do is cut up your meat, and then you add garlic. So about that much garlic would be good for you. Just put that in here. You add your black pepper. Black pepper, and then you add your soy sauce. Okay, and you just mix it up. Right, and you want this to marinate for at least an hour to get a good flavor, but the longer you marinate, the more better it will taste. Alright, for the next bite, you need potatoes, onions, oyster sauce, oil, bay leaves, chicken flavoring, vinegar, maybe some more soy sauce, green beans, and then your marinade. So chop up the potatoes and the onions. Alright, so first you get a pan and you heat it up. And then you add your canola oil. Let that heat up. Alright, next you add your onions first, chopped up. Mix those onions in. Next you take your marinated meat and take a spoon and filter it out. Try not to put much sauce in there. Start putting them in with the garlic and everything in there. Stir up that meat, get it all nice and cooked before you add anything else. Once your pork is like halfway cooked, go ahead and add some bay leaves. About 3 of them should be really good. Those in. Alright, next, you add your potatoes. You also add the rest of your mix. And a bit of oyster sauce. And then add a little bit of water and let those potatoes steam. Alright. Look at that. Okay. Once your potatoes are like halfway cooked, go ahead and add your green beans. Those in there. And then go ahead and add some chicken flavoring or maybe some magic syrup if you have some. So once all those things are in, go ahead and add your vinegar. Do not stir. Just let that simmer. Sit for like 5 minutes. Set up. Alright, go ahead and stir in your vinegar now. And then just make sure that your potatoes are soft. And add a little soy sauce if you need a little more soy sauce flavor. And it should be good to go. Here is the finished product. With some lumpia. How's the adobo, Jake?
delicious.